Hey traders, Joe right here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly forex analysis for week beginning 19th of June 2016. So we've got AC up on the charts here, Aussie CAD on the daily. You can see that we've made a move from this area here, and we've got the supply level up here. So if the price manages to chop through this area, and we have a nice arrival, then we could have shorts from this supply. So that's what I'll be looking for on Aussie CAD. Okay, now let's move along. Let's have a look at some other pairs. Okay, so if we look at EJ next. Okay, so you can see that EJ had a nice drop. We were able to trade that last week. Now you can see that price engulfed this previous demand level that we had marked up. Now if I just scroll over to where that was, that is here. So price engulfed that, and there wasn't much of stop price. These are just wicks. All the way down to this area, so we were able to trade down through there. This pink line I've just marked up because that's where price stopped, and that happens to be the man down here too. So price has already reversed off of this area here, and if we scroll back over, we can see that we've got a bit of supply which is just formed around here. So what we could do is bring this down to here. So looking at that, we've got the demand that was here, and we've got the supply that is now formed. So we've got a potential swap level there. So I'm going to take this off now to stop any confusion. So this is now the supply level which we've got, and this is demand down here. I'll just mark on because that's where price turned. So there may be reversals from this area here, but I anticipate price to go down further. Okay, those are the main two showing opportunity. Let me just show you what happened with EU, because remember last week, or a couple of weeks ago, I was looking at how this supply level held. Thought that it might go all the way down to demand, and it did hit demand, and then it's had a few bounces up as well. So at the minute, it's still stuck within that range. We've got the EU referendum, Brexit vote happening this week, so that might shake things up a bit in the markets, on the euro and on the pound pairs. Not too worried about that. I know many people are staying out of the markets. If I see opportunity, then I'll be jumping in regardless. I trade the charts, not the news, as I've mentioned on numerous occasions. Yeah, so that was EU. Let me just look at pound yen. So we've got a bit of a swap zone there as well. You can see I've got this blue line on, marking up the demand, which was around here. Yep. So we're looking at that. Below that, you see there's nothing to stop price. We just had a series of wicks, which is why price is able to make it down, and then it stopped at this area here. It hasn't stopped at demand though. Back over, we see prices rally back up to this area here. So prices rally back up to what was demand, which now could turn into supply. So there could be another trade back down. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to bring this down here, and we'll see what happens this week. Okay, so these are the main pairs that I'm watching showing opportunity. So until next time, happy trading, guys.